If you're experiencing a verification pending status with First Republic Bank, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Check your email. Review your email for any messages from First Republic Bank. They may have sent you instructions or additional information needed to complete your verification. Step 2. Log into your account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Src to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you cannot find any information in your email or account, reach out to First Republic Bank's customer support. Have your account details ready for a quicker resolution. Step 4. Provide required documentation. Be prepared to submit any necessary documents that may be required for verification. This could include identification, proof of address, or other relevant information. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting any required documents or information, follow up with customer support to ensure your verification is being processed. Keep a record of your communication for reference. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue efficiently. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.